transom, I think. Is that what you're doing, dear?
Yes, dear. Trying to make your life a little bit more comfortable, hon. I hope you appreciate it.
Yeah. Is that your comeback for everything now?
Well, this Team Sandy has gone a little crazy. People actually think I don't do anything. Okay. I think we're in a lot better spot now.
So John changed the shackles on the front of the dinghy because we were having some problems with these high winds, so hopefully what we've done is good.
Hardly any wind at all here. But you know what? We got time on our hands, and we can take as long as we want to get here. We'll be at our destination at about 1:30. So that'll give us plenty of time to anchor and do things, make sure everything's okay, check the oil. I like to check the oil on the engine. Not that it uses any oil, but you got to check these systems all the time. We don't want to be stuck, even though it's kind of hard to be stuck if you got wind power, right? Sailing. That blue line there, we call it a preventer. So because I'm wing on wing, I like that as security so the boom doesn't come whipping around and crashing and causing damage to the rig. I like to look at the rigging, inspect it, make sure everything hasn't come loose. I put tape on it here, and if I see threads, then I know that something has come loose. Honestly, guys, this is just awesome.
There's a beach access pathway that we've actually never done before on Staniel Key. I'm not even sure exactly where the beach is. I'm pretty sure though it's on the outside. But well-groomed trail. It's kind of cool. build up the